之前我记得你好像在二栋来过，吉米好像来啊。
没有了，我不认识这里。
那我搞错了。
Is it live? Okay, I guess it is. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a microphone. It is also called a handheld KTV microphone. So it's wireless microphone. Let's unbox it. It's blue. It has got different colors, okay? It has got gold, black, silver, rose gold, blue and pink. The one I got is blue. So this one has different options. I will upload pictures for this one. I got in stock. See, it's right here behind me. And turn it on if it has battery.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Right, so now it is ready to pair. You can pair with your device, your speaker, and you can use it as a KTV mic, and you can increase the volume, you can decrease the volume. Right. It has got different functions. Right guys, all right, I will send you price list after I finish my live stream. Okay, I will upload the pictures and the quantity, the location of the product, and then we can discuss it later. Now just let me show you what we got in stock right now. Okay, it has got different colors. It has got 1 2 3 4 5. It has got 6 different colors. Okay, let me turn it off.
Power off.
Just power off. Okay. Inside it has got a charging cable. You can charge it with this micro cable, and it has got a small leaflet. It has got English and Chinese. Of course you will need English one, so let me just drop it back. Right guys, so this is called KTV handheld microphone, wireless microphone. You can connect it via Bluetooth to your device, to your other speaker, to your other device. Right, it has got 6 colors. Right, if anyone is interested, you can ask me for price in the comments, and I will give you the price details. Okay, and I will tell you how many pieces I got in my stock. Okay, it's a stock. It's 70% cheaper than the price you buy from factory. It's brand new. It's not defective. It's 100% brand new, never used, and it's completely functional. Okay, so now I got a mini speaker. Let me unbox the mini speaker. I will finish that live streaming and finish a new live streaming for this one. Okay.